welcome to my 10th Skillshare class where we will learn how to paint watercolor and floral letters and numbers just like the paintings in my background. My name is Jolly and I'm a watercolor artist based in the Philippines. I'm also known as Jolly Poa on Instagram right here, and that's where I share my process videos and also photos of my paintings. We'll start the class by talking about the materials that we need. If it's your first time to take any of my classes, don't worry because I have prepared a demo of the florals that we will use in this class. However, if you have taken my previous classes, you can skip that part and head on to the projects. I know that the length of this class is quite daunting because it's too long, but don't worry, that's because I have prepared so many projects for you guys so you can choose whichever you want to try out first. We will start first with filled floral letters and numbers, where I will show you how to combine colors, just like these examples. And then let's move on to negative painting, where I will be teaching you how to use masking fluid and also how you can protect your brush from being ruined by the masking fluid. And then we'll paint metallic watercolor floral letters, which is my favorite, and we'll do two versions. Lastly, I will be teaching you how to paint a freehand watercolor floral letter. This class is suitable for beginners or for anybody who wants to create a personalized gift. And what you can do is you can paint the first letter of your friend's name or the first letter of your baby's name and just hang it on the wall. Or I think that this could be a great and easy way to make commissioned projects. The goal of this class is to unleash your creativity, and I have prepared so many examples for you guys so that you have more ideas to work on, and then finally you can create paintings that you can call your own. If you are keen to learn how to paint all of these projects, then let's start the class.